NFTs Deciphered. What do apes, punks, and penguins have in common? Other than being mammals, they've all been turned into NFTs. NFT stands for non-fungible token, which is a unique piece of data that lives on a blockchain. More specifically, an NFT is a one-of-a-kind cryptographic hash embedded in a blockchain that assigns and proves ownership of a digital file. NFTs are often pictures, but they can also be GIFs, videos, songs, video game artifacts, or any other data that can be encoded digitally. Because an NFT's history is stored on the blockchain, you can see the address that created it, any transactions, and the address that currently owns it, all in a block explorer. Every NFT is unique. Even if they look exactly the same, each token is the only one with its specific attributes. This is like a series of prints that are of the same image, but with a different number. Proving ownership of digital assets has opened up possibilities in the art world and could lead to a change in how ownership of real-world assets, such as real estate, is recorded, transferred, and proved. This is known as tokenization. NFT mania peaked in 2022, but owning a piece of the digital world is here to stay.